Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You should stop if your goal is to bypass authentication. I cannot help with that. Instead, act as the legitimate owner. Gather recovery email addresses, recovery phone numbers, names of devices used to sign in, and approximate recent login times. Once done, open Google Account Recovery on a secure device and follow prompts. Make sure to use the same browser and location where you usually sign in, because Google uses that context to verify you, and avoid unnecessary lockouts. You'll be guided through a sequence of verification prompts. Enter the last password you remember, request codes to recovery email or phone, and confirm device names. If prompted, use the same phone or PC you used previously to sign in. That increases success. If you already control a signed-in device, make sure to remove the account via Settings Accounts Google, or, as a last resort, perform a factory reset only if you own the device. Keep calm and respond patiently to each prompt. Once you regain access or remove the account legitimately, immediately update recovery options and enable two-step verification to prevent future issues. If recovery attempts fail, contact Google support or submit an account ownership form. They may request ID or other proof. If nothing works right away, pause, wait 24 to 72 hours, collect additional evidence like prior emails or billing info, and retry from a familiar device and location. This approach protects you and respects accounts.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.